I'm Robert Wilson. I'm a founding director of Granit Architects. I believe passionately in good design. We work on residential properties predominantly, and our key thing is to solve a problem. We look at what people want to get out of their properties, and then look at how we might achieve that.
Hi, I'm James Munro, Director of Granit Architects. We believe passionately in good design, sustainable design, and the benefit that brings to our clients, to the environment they live in and the way it changes their lives. So I think for a number of years, green agenda has been quite important, and we've been trying to advise our clients on whether certain renewable technology or retrofit technology is worth investing in a property. I think you probably saw the opportunity in this house to sort of put your money where your mouth is a little bit and view it as a bit of a test bed. So we can, rather than referring to suppliers or websites, we could actually bring them here and tell them what worked and what didn't work.
And some of the stuff here has instantaneous effect. Making it a house that just doesn't use energy means you don't have enormous energy bills. And for example, the external render, the outside, it may be pink, but it's actually also thermally efficient. It had to be rendered. The outside had to have something on it. So why not make it pay back? It costs very little more to make it insulated render than to make it ordinary render. When I come in the evening, I maybe open a couple more windows or open the double height sash here, and the cool air off the pond goes right up through the void, out through the front, and the whole house cools down in a matter of 15 minutes. It's brilliant, it works really well.
So the benefits of green roof are attractive, and ecologically it's sort of attenuating water runoff into the system, which the Thames water like, and increasing biodiversity.
Stone in the top floor bedroom. If I put cast concrete sinks in the cast concrete sinks in all the bedrooms, then so what? The whole house has them. But in fact, each bathroom has a different arrangement and different materials. There are different tiles in each bathroom. Even the floor finishes, the plank floor changes direction depending on where you're going or what you're doing. So you come in the front door and there are planks lying across. The two rooms either side have spirals of wooden timber, which is a real headache for the joiners, but they loved laying it in the end. Once they worked out what I was doing, they'd never done one before, so it was a one-off, and they look great.
Yeah, I think the beauty of this house is that as well as being a well-designed house that works for you or a family that might live here, is that the technology is actually very subtle, a lot of it. It just works quietly in the background, and external insulation doesn't shout at you, it just improves the thermal efficiency of the house.
Do you have a bit you'd like?
Well, my favourite bit's probably this bit, the triple glazed bay onto the courtyard. I think it's a very light space and flexible on a nice summer day or evening to open up onto the courtyard here.
There are some surprises with living here. I mean, you know, it's great to be able to sit here in the glazed bay and see the front door, for example. So if you're entertaining, you know, somebody opening the front door, you can see in. And upstairs in the study has the similar bay, and from there through the void space, you can see the front door again from there.
I think on a similar note, I like the fact that the house feels very different on each level. So really, it feels quite sort of public and you know, about entertaining on this level, and it gets more private as you go up. And your master floor feels very private, feels very indulgent. Maybe is not the right word, but it feels like a very luxurious kind of space that you want to spend time there.
Those implied things within design are part of one of the things I think we do very well.